Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on your computer. Digital signatures are a fantastic way to handle paperwork efficiently and securely, saving you time and resources. They provide a legally binding method to approve documents from anywhere, ensuring authenticity and integrity. We'll cover the simple steps to get you started with this convenient process right away. It's much easier than you might think. There are several straightforward ways to create your digital signature. One popular method is simply typing your name, which many programs will then convert into a stylized, professional-looking signature. Another option is to draw your signature directly using a mouse, a trackpad, or even a touch screen if your device supports it. Finally, you can upload an image of your actual handwritten signature, giving it a personal touch. Each method is quick and effective. Numerous tools are available to help you sign documents digitally. Adobe Acrobat Reader is widely used for filling out and signing PDF files, offering robust features. For word processing documents, Microsoft Word provides built-in functionalities to add digital signatures directly. Beyond these, many dedicated online platforms specialize in secure e-signing, often offering advanced features like audit trails and multi-party signing. These tools make the process accessible and reliable for everyone. When signing documents digitally, security is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords for any accounts linked to your digital signatures to protect against unauthorized access. Before you sign, take a moment to carefully verify the sender's identity and thoroughly review the document's content to ensure everything is correct. Treat your digital signature files like sensitive personal information, keeping them secure and private. These simple steps help maintain the integrity of your signed documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.